Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at this really cool little camera. This camera is made by LaView, and it is a HD Wi-Fi Smart IP L2 2K light bulb camera. And when I say light bulb camera, what is really cool is this will screw into a light bulb socket. Very, very neat because it's great for outdoors. And by the way, it is weather resistant. If it gets wet, you just need to protect all of the electrical components. Make sure water cannot get in to the electrical side of it. But outside of that, it is rated to be outside. So you could put this in your garage. You could put it out in your patio. You could put it anywhere. You could actually put it in the house if you have a certain room you want to plug it into. Now, there is one caveat to that. If you plug this into an outlet in your ceiling, if you have multiple lights controlled from that one switch, if you flip that switch off to flip your lights off, you will be shutting your camera off. So it needs to be a designated switch to run this camera, and you need to make sure you do not shut the switch off. Some of the other cool features about this is it works off a cloud, so you can upload everything to a cloud. It actually has a spot to put a micro SD in it, so it'll record on board, and it will use your cell phone. And I am hooked up right now to it with my cell phone, and I can either take snapshot pictures or I can record directly to my phone. And right now this unit is working. It follows motion, and I'll show you that in just a second, but it will follow you all the way around a room. I do like the 360 part of it. It also comes with this little extension tube, so if you're putting in your light socket and it doesn't quite reach, or you need it to hang down a little, you can use this. It also comes with a plug here so that you can plug it into a power port, which is fantastic. The only problem, if you're going to do that and leave it on a tabletop, it has everything flipped upside down. So you could record from that and then change it in post-production, either on your phone with a video app, or if you have a video app that you're using at home, you could do that as well if you wanted to use it like this. I just don't think it would be a good idea to flip it upside down and plug it in, because it's going to try to pull loose unless you have a way of strapping it. Okay, so if you do have issues with it, the card and the reset are directly by, let me get this over here a little, they're directly underneath the camera itself, so it's easy to get to. So you'll put your SD card in there, and if you have to reset, that's where you'll reset it. Setting this thing up was extremely easy. You just have to have it within 3 feet of your modem, and when you go to set it up, you will go through the little functions on your phone. You'll download the app, and I will tell you they have a little QR code in your booklet, so you just hit that QR code with your camera. It'll take you right there, download the app, and then start the app. Then it's going to walk you through setting it up with your Wi-Fi. It is going to ask you for your passcode. You'll set that up, and then it is literally going to put a big QR code on your phone, and you hold the phone in front of the camera, and just like that, it is set up. Then you can unplug it, move it to any place else that you want away from the Wi-Fi. So extremely great unit, and I'm going to show you here. This is your actual program, and I've kind of got it, it's showing upside down, so I can show it this way a little so you can see me moving as I walk. The camera is following me everywhere I go. So there you go, follows my hand. It follows me everywhere, and it will follow me all the way around the room. And that's a really cool function. And in the actual camera itself, you can store to the cloud, you can store to your phone, you can take pictures, you can take video, and it has alarms, and also that if somebody is picked up that should not be in the presence of that camera around your home, it's going to send you a push notification letting you know something's going on. So overall, this is a great unit. And by the way, the picture is phenomenal on this. It is bright color. Let me move down a little. Okay guys, so take a good look at this, and you'll see on the screen, as I move my hand, the camera will follow my hand. Come over here, follows. I mean, it follows movement, and it is a phenomenally good picture. This thing will literally track you 360 degrees around a room. Very cool. So if you want a really good camera, easy to set up, not real expensive, but does a phenomenal job, I don't think you're going to go wrong by picking this one up. So do yourself a favor, pick one up today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.